Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet. Today we're gonna make this super cute cake, unicorn cake. It's a fake cake, so it's easy for you to put on the top of the real layer cake or whatever you need to do. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and to press the bell button, because now it's super important since YouTube is not going to put any videos on your homepage then they don't think you want to see. So please do that, and you can find all my lists, all my videos in Portuguese and English. And today I want to dedicate this video to Agatha, the one she left me a message, and I was so happy, so I dedicate this video to you. So we're gonna use a foam dummy, and we're gonna open, and I'm using actually to cover this cake that Chinese clay, the air dry clay, the fluffy one. I didn't want to use the cold porcelain for this, and I wanted to see if I use this type of clay my cake would be light. So, and it was really light, really easy, so I'm just cutting the excess in the bottom and cover the whole thing. And with this stamper, I'm gonna just stamp all the way around to give some texture and some details. Just keep putting your butterflies or the detail of the stamper. I'm gonna use this unicorn on the top. I have the video down linked below for you guys, or on my list in Portuguese and English, so you can watch. So I'm just gonna use him because he was right there. And now we're gonna make little balls, little tiny ones, to make the cloud for our rainbow. So that's what I'm gonna make, and we're gonna make, I don't know, 5 or 6, whatever. I'm not counting. I'm not gonna make the cloud both sides the same either. So I'm just gonna push them together, and we're gonna flat that a little bit so we make all the clay go together and to be very cute. And we're gonna set that apart, make another one. And now we're gonna use the pink and purple and all the colors you want. I'm using the pastel colors for the unicorn, so I'm gonna make one long snake in pink, one long snake in purple, one long snake in green, and we're gonna use yellow, and we're gonna use blue. And then I'm gonna start bending my rainbow, and now I'm gonna put the green on the bottom, since the green I need to bend less. So that's how I think it looks easier for me. And now I'm gonna cut all the excess, leaving my rainbow perfect cut on the edges. And now we're gonna place our little clowns. Clouds, not clowns, clouds, and super cute. And we're gonna place on the side our cake to give a little detail and color to the side. And that's it. It's super cute. I have a bunch of other unicorn tutorials on my channel. Please check it out. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to give me a little thumbs up, and check all the info below the show more. You can find my Facebook, my Twitter, links, materials, all the information there, and leave me a comment so I also can dedicate a video for you. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.